Okay, it's pretty easy. So after you make your slide, just like, hey, this is what I'm gonna put on the internet. This is good stuff. You go up here to mix and you go to export to video. Pretty simple, right? Click export to video. You've already saved your file. Your file's already been saved on your computer. And so it's basically gonna put it in where you just saved it. Has the same name as a video. Pretty simple. I think you should do 1080p. Makes it look really nice. You can it goes faster if you lower your go. It takes less amount of time. We'll leave it on that one. You just hit next. It'll go and ask you where you want to put it, or put it right here. We'll say yes, and it's starting to download it and do the conversion. Depending on how big your file is, how many slides you have, how many pictures and how many videos are on your slide, it could take quite a while. Sometimes I just do it at nighttime, set it, and come back in the morning. This one is very small, so it's going pretty quick. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel it at this point. We'll let it run all the way through. So there it goes, it's done. I mean, this is pretty small. There's only 3 slides, no videos, 3 pictures on it. Won't take very long. Close, and that's it. So our video's been saved on file. Next thing, you just go to your YouTube account. Hit the little up arrow right here. It'll ask you where it's at. You click on select files, upload. Go find the one that you just did. It was presentation 3. And boom, it's being loaded into YouTube. And that's it. It's all done. You hit publish and it's on your channel. Good to go.